Once your Z-stack image is done, you can preview your image. Under Dimension tabs over here, you can see that it will show the Z position over here, and you can scroll up and down and explore your image through each of the stack. For the display of your sample can be done via orthogonal view. The orthogonal view will show you the dimension and the cut lines of your samples. The big image in the middle is the XY plane. The upper panel is the XZ plane, while on the right is the YZ plane. You can move your crosshair to see where is your sample is in these 3D images. For sample which some of the organelles or some parts cannot be seen from some of the Z-stack, you can combine them together by applying the maximum intensity projection or the MIP to your image, and it will combine all of the signals from your sample into one 2D image. You can extract this MIP image over here by clicking New Image from the XY plane and click Create. By clicking this, now you can get your MIP or the maximum intensity projection image from your Z-stack image. The blue border lines which represent the Z-stack can be removed further in. Now, you would like to export your image to the normal image format to further work with other programs you are using. You go to Processing tab and search for the command of the image export. You click Image Export and then input your image over here by either click the drop down and select the desired image or drag the name from the tab from the top to the input panel. Now scroll up a bit to the parameters. Now you can choose the desired file type from the drop down. It can be JPEG, BMP, TIFF, PNG. I will show you how to work with TIFF file with no compression. Now, the default display, the default parameter here will allow you to burn in the annotation. From the current situation, the annotation that we have here is a scale bar over here. Now it already chose the merge channel image to be exported, which is this image. If you would like to have the individual channel images to be extracted along with the merge image, you need to check this one as well. If you want either one of these, you can just uncheck the others. Right now, we are working with the Z-stack image. You can extract some of the images to be extracted and exported as well. By clicking Define Subset, it will show you which parameter can be extracted. Under channels, we have two channels here, for example. If you would like to extract or export only the FitZ images, so now you can turn off the side 3. Under the Z position as well, you can extract or export which parameter you are using. For example, I would like to extract just only one single image. I would just type in the position that I would love to be exported. Now you can just go export to your desired destination. And you can now change your prefix or the file name from here. and then go on to the top and click Apply. From now, the only one image that I've got will be just one single channel of frequency from the Z stack number 6.